Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Today is December 10th, I think. Let me double check that. December 9th, I'm sorry. 9th day of December. Today, what we're going to do is get up, get ready, and get out the door so we can go to church. I'm actually about to take a shower now, and then I'm going to wake the boys up so they can take a shower, make them some breakfast, and then out the door we shall go. Yesterday I washed and did my hair. This is the results. I'm actually going to put it into a pineapple to stretch the curls a little bit, because once they dried, they shrunk. I did a little cheat. I cheated a little bit. I actually went under the hair dryer instead of letting it air dry, because it was soaking wet and I didn't finish till like 12 o'clock. So besides that, I'm about to get ready and get dressed and get my day started. I'll see you guys a little later. Anyway, I am out of the shower, fresh and clean out of the shower, face all moisturized, body all glistening and stuff. Anyway, I'm about to go wake up the kids. While they're taking a shower, I'm going to make them some breakfast, and I'm going to iron, because I didn't finish this hair until late last night. Here I go again. I actually tried to look for me something to wear last night, but I couldn't find anything. Well, I found something, but I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. So I always like to pick out 2 outfits for Sunday, because I wait till the last minute to get dressed, and then I'll be like, I don't like it. So I had found these sweaters, 2 of these sweaters last year. I love the sleeves. On the clearance rack at where did I get it from? Rue 21. And I paid $3 for this, okay? I got it oversized for a reason. That's why it's a 2X. But I got it in this color and tan. And I just haven't found anywhere to wear this sweater to. So I got the tan one on the ironing board. But I don't really know what pants to wear or if it's going to look right. So I'm picking out another outfit right now. Alright guys, I am fully dressed. I feel kind of cute. I just got this blazer on that I thrifted. And then I got on this bodysuit that I got years ago, I don't know where. And then I got on these light jeans and my boots. I don't know if you guys can see it, but so I got on boots, light jeans, my bodysuit, and this thrifted blazer. Anywho, we are on our way out the door for church. The boys are fully dressed. Let's get a quick glimpse of Kai and Mari. They got on something basic, but they look cute. There's Kai. He got on his Chelsea boots, little skinny jeans. He got on this little fleece pullover with a polo. Mari, let's see yours. Unzip your jacket so everybody can see yours. Hurry up.
Okay.
So Kai's wearing like navy blue and gray, and Mari's wearing a burgundy navy blue. And he got on his Chelsea boots, his skinny jeans, and his fleece. Hold your head up so everybody can see. So that's how Mari's is looking. We actually on our way out the door. That's how Kai looking. They think they're cute. So I am in church as of now. This is our little setup.
Let's just talk for a minute. What is right? I'm amazed that sometimes, please don't think that I'm rebuking you, but I just want to make you pay attention. See your hands up. Still got peace. Still got a man in the home. Still got a man in the church.
Alright guys, we have officially made it back in the house from church today. Church was awesome. Pastor was speaking that word. Oh my God. I'm going to try to insert some clips of the sermon on today. But church was awesome. I think we're about to get ready and go to the store in a minute. I need to pick up a few groceries for the week. I'm going to do a little meal prepping. Or what I like to do is to cook my meats at the beginning of the week. And all I have to do is make sides for the remainder of the week. I need to pick up some chicken. I just need to get a few grocery items. I don't normally like to go on Sundays because it's always so busy and so packed. Either I go to Walmart or Pete's that I normally get my food from, and my like fresh produce. So what I'm looking to do is I need to get some honey too. So I'm just trying to think of some stuff that I need to get. I think I'm gonna write it down on what I need to pick up at the store so I don't go there and just start picking up anything. Anyway, on our way to the grocery store. Daddy's driving today. Here we go.
Oh, I froze right now.
Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everyone.
We need cookies for Santa. Look at all the decisions that you can pick.
That's for you.
Mommy. Mommy.
Here you go, dance everywhere.
Wow.
Look at this one. You can't even see your eyes.
Wow, you guys can't see me? That must mean I'm really tall. Hey, Maury can't do... Maury, stop hitting me. He's not good at doing it. Bro, you just messed me up.
Fix your... Hey, don't start arguing and fighting, y'all.
Maury, stop. Don't push
Fix
me.
your scarf. Why is it wet?
I don't know. Probably water.
What are we waiting on, guys?
Daddy.
Are we getting? We need to find out where the honey is so that we can go. I don't know. I don't shop in Jewels that often.
I need my honey.
I couldn't tell you where the honey is.
Everyone, I need my honey.
Yes, we know you're addicted to tea. You're gonna have to get a job one day.
I am. I already work for you guys. What's the point?
You don't. You barely even do chores. Hey guys, anybody ever tried these? These are 2 for $4 at Jewels. Oh my God, they're so good.
Give me some. These are good.
I'm not buying these for you. These are for me. You cannot take family to the grocery store because my kids don't do nothing but complain the whole time while we in there and want to beg and ask for everything they see. I'm not understanding.
What did I beg for?
They want everything they see.
You begged for honey. Yeah, I didn't say. She said everything.
How would you not even support me on that call?
So while we in the grocery store and we getting ready to check out, and it was an empty lane next to us, right, y'all? And the lady was like, you guys can step over, I can take y'all here. Some man rushed in front of us. So this guy over here had nerves to say something to the man, about to get in an argument with the man. I don't even know what he said, but the guy was rude. I was just like, just be quiet, it's not even that serious. Here we go, but I'm trying to take up for us. But still, the man was wrong. But at the end of the day, it's not that serious.
Then why are you recording it?
I feel like sometimes you need to put ignorant people on check. I know it's wrong and you shouldn't do that, but sometimes you just need to. And today was one of those occasions, so.
Guest father has spoken. All right, guys, we are officially, well, I am officially back home from the grocery stores. We went to Jewels for like the first time just because it was close and nearby to our house, and I only needed a few things. But when I went inside, I was like disappointed. I literally walked out the store with like 6 bags. Not much, but they had my Chessman cookies though. Anyway, I actually came home, took my clothes off. I was about to take my makeup off, but then I was like, well, maybe I could use this makeup to record a video. So maybe I'm going to go in and record a video for you guys if I can squeeze it into my agenda. But first I'm going to go and make some dinner for everybody. I think we're going to eat nachos. So if I make nachos, I'm going to bring you guys along with me so I can show you guys how I make my bootleg, but also tasty nachos. I'm going to relax for about 30 minutes before I do start cooking. I came home. When I came into the bathroom to use the bathroom, I normally bring my phone in, but today I did not bring my phone in. And when I was on the toilet, I just started singing, you are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other. I know I can't sing, but I just kept singing that same part. I kept saying, you are my joy, joy like no other. You are my peace, peace like no other. That song just came to me on the toilet, and I just kept singing it and singing it and singing it. And then tears just started flowing down my face, y'all. Like literally tears. Because those words I was imagining in my head, like those things that God has done for me. Like, God is so amazing. He does so much for me, even when I don't even deserve it. Like, a quarter of what he does for me, I don't even think I deserve it, but I thank God anyway for all he's done and all he's continued to do in my life. Like I said, service today was awesome, but when I came into this bathroom and that song just hit me and I just kept singing and singing it, tears just began to flow from my eyes. Like, God is amazing. He is awesome. He's my everything, and there is no me without him. I'm not perfect, I never will be, but God is an awesome God. And all you have to do is talk to him, because he hears you. He knows what you're thinking even before you ask. So I just thank God. Instead of just asking God for something all the time and praying and asking for stuff, just thank him. Thank you for waking up this morning. Thank you for waking you up this morning. Someone did not wake up this morning. Thank you for breath. Thank you for movement of my limbs. Thank you for being in my right mind. Like those things that we take for granted, somebody did not get up this morning with those abilities. So I thank God for those things that we find so simple. And I thank him for them because someone did not wake up. Someone is not able to walk. Someone's not able to talk and do all those things on their own. And someone's not in good health this morning. So I just thank God. I'm not here to preach to you all, but that song just got me all emotional or whatever and talking about God. But today is Sunday. I did just come from church not too long ago, but God is just so awesome. So awesome. So anyway, I'm not going to continue to talk you guys ear off. I'm going to go in here, try to edit a vlog and cook some dinner. Alright guys, so this is what we're going to use today to make nachos. And basically we're going to use the Doritos. We're going to have, I use ground chuck. It's in the refrigerator though. We're going to use ground chuck. I'm going to mix this can of hot rotel in it with habaneros. This is the key right here. So we're going to brown the meat. We're going to add this in, and then we're going to add a hot taco pack season. And then this is the showstopper right here. This is the cheese I use. I warm that up in a little skillet. But oh my God, this combo, y'all, fire. So I've separated it into two batches. So this batch here is going to be for the boys, and then this batch here is going to be for me and Edgar. I'm going to put regular taco season in their batch, and then I'm going to put hot taco season in ours, right along with the can of rotel. The taster here. How is it?
Good. 10 out of 10.
Okay, so now we're about to add this can.
Don't put it in mine.
We're gonna put it here.
Want me to hold the camera?
I got it. Thank you, baby. We're gonna let that cook, and then we'll be already ready. All right, guys. This is how we're looking. All right, guys. This is how we were looking. This is the meat. That's the cheese. That's my meat, and then one child is eating tacos. So what I'm about to do, hi son.
Hi.
Say hi to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
So what I'm about to do is pour the Doritos into the bowls. You're gonna hold it for me? Okay, hold it while I grab it. I was gonna dump it in there, but come closer. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer. Stand right here. My son's gonna help me. My hands are clean. So we're gonna layer the bowls with Doritos.
Yummy.
Mari, ready to take those?
Hungry. Delicious.
Got enough for you, Kai?
Just a little bit more.
Come here, real. So, we got the Doritos on deck.
Ooh,
We got lettuce. Don't touch our lettuce, sir. This is the one that's not eating nachos because he just wants tacos because he's greedy.
Look at him. Says the one that look at our bowl right
That's
now.
not. This is my bowl. This is Edgar bowl. Your daddy bowl. Okay. And this is my son's plate. He just want meat and shell, nothing else on it. This is my youngest son's plate.
I don't want that.
Yep. I think that should be enough cheese. That's how his nachos are looking. They're looking and looking. Come on, Kai.
bro. Look at so ugly. You're like.
All right, Barretto. Come and get it. You gonna put lettuce on it? Hopefully it's as good as it was last time.
Yeah, buddy.
It was good last time though. I think we probably was just hungry, but it was good last time. Ooh, this one's mine. All right, guys, it's time to eat. I'm a rabbit, so this is how I'm gonna eat mine. It's about to be fire, y'all. So it's about to be so good. Might add a little sour cream to it, but you know, it's already spicy and all of that good old stuff. So I'm about to enjoy it. Get my bottle of water. All right, guys. So I have been on here uploading and basically editing and uploading videos for previous vlogs for Vlogmas. So I have not did much but sit at this computer for the last few hours. So basically all I did was make dinner. Got clothes together for kids for school tomorrow. I'm tired, and I've been editing and uploading and making thumbnails and all that good old stuff for this Vlogmas. So I've had a long Sunday, but it's back to work tomorrow for me. So yes, I have to go back to work tomorrow. I don't want to, but gotta pay the bills. Until I become rich, I gotta do what I gotta do. So anyway, throughout the week, my vlogs are going to be super boring, so I might just combine them. Because basically, I'm going to be going to work and come home, cook dinner, go to work, come home, cook dinner, and all over again until, like, the weekend. So, I will see you guys on tomorrow, which is December 10th, which is 10 days into the month of December already. Where has the year gone? Time is just flying by so fast. I was supposed to take this makeup off hours ago, but I got stuck into this vlogging. So what I'm about to do now is take this makeup off, take a shower, and get my butt in the bed. I'm already behind time. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.